Section 2.7, example 8, solving a compound inequality with variables in all three parts. So solve the compound inequality with variables in all three parts. 3 plus x less than 7x minus 2 less than 5x plus 10 or minus 10. All right, so we have a couple of different things. What I'm going to do is break it up into two different parts. I'm going to look at this inequality here, just so we could solve for x there. Also looking at this inequality over here, so we could solve x there. So breaking it up, we have 3 plus x greater than 7x minus 2. And we also have 7x minus 2 less than 5x minus 10. All right, starting with the left side, let's get all of the variables over to the left side, everything else to the right side. Minus 7x minus 7x. 3 minus 6x greater than negative 2. Minus 3 both sides. Negative 6x is greater than negative 5. Lastly, dividing by a negative 6. And since we divide by a negative number here, we're changing the direction of the sign. X is now less than. Negative divides out with negative, and we're left with 5 over 6. That doesn't simplify. So we have that part. Now let's look at this other equation. Add 2 to both sides to, I lied, minus 5x on both sides. That way we could solve for, or get all the variables over to the left side. So we have 2x minus 2 is greater than negative 10. Add 2 to both sides. 2x is greater than negative 8. Divide both sides by 2, leaving us with x is greater than negative 4. Let's throw this on a number line just so we could see where these values are. So for this part, x is less than 5 over 6. So numbers smaller than 5 over 6, I'm just going to indicate that by an arrow. Over here we have x is greater than negative 4. So number is bigger than negative 4. Both of these are less than or greater than. So it's going to be open circles for both of these. And our solution set are these numbers here in the middle. Our most left value is negative 4 with an open circle, so parentheses. Our rightmost value is 5 over 6. Open circle, so parentheses. And that's our solution set in interval notation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.